Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Python, the latest version in your PC within 2 minutes. So let's get started. At first, open any browser of your choice, then head over to python.org. Then here on the download section, just click on Python 3 point some version which is shown here. Scroll down and here you will be able to find all the files available for downloading. Now download Windows installer 64-bit. Click on save. Run this and make sure to tick this checkbox, which you will need if you want to use any text editor for using Python. Then just click on install now. Make sure to give it the admin privileges by clicking on yes. At last, wait for it to get installed. Now click on disable path limit and click on yes for giving it the administrative privileges. Then click on close. You can now close it, and let's now restart the PC. But before I restart, I will now show you the specs of the PC which I am currently using. It is powered by an ancient Pentium M3700 1.6 GHz 4-core processor and equipped with 4 GB RAM, which is the bare minimum for Windows to be run. I will now restart the PC and show you what to do after restarting. Guys, I have now restarted my PC. Now what you have to do is open VS Code. Wait for it to get loaded. Then go to the extensions section. Here you will get some recommended extensions. See, the first extension which is appearing on the screen is Python. Now just hit install. Wait for it to get installed. And when you install this Python version or Python option, Pylons and Jupyter keymap will also be downloaded with Jupyter automatically. So in other words, it is a bundled extension. It might take a few moments to get installed. As you can see, Python is now installed. You can now again click on this and then click here. Then click on new file and make sure to click on the Python file option. A new Python file with .py extensions has been now created. Now you can start doing your code work or whatever you do. As you can see, it only took hardly 2 minutes for the installation, and for it to get totally usable you have to do few things, and it might take a minute only. Now as for changing this PowerShell terminal, you have to follow the steps which I will do now. We will do this because PowerShell is relatively slower than CMD. As you can see, PowerShell is also creating some error which should not occur. But anyways, I will now change this PowerShell into CMD by typing Ctrl+Shift+P in the keyboard, and a palette will now open. You have to type default and select the default profile option, and afterwards you need to select CMD. As you can see, if I will again type F5, then a new Python debug will open, and it will be fast and will run without any error that should not happen, like in the case of PowerShell. So thanks for watching this video. If this video had helped you somehow, then please subscribe to my channel.